Welcome back. This next video on electric ukulele playing is about Deep in the Motherlode by Genesis, also from And Then There Were Three. This track isn't so frantic in tempo as Down and Out, and it has a comfortable rocking horse rhythm to it. There are two main riffs I'm doing. The first is the intro and bridge riff, and it's quicker. This is how I'm doing that first riff with my index finger in home position. Let's do it again. The second riff is gentler and slower and has the horse trot feel. There's two parts to it. The second part is a bit higher. I'll do that again. Note the little wave in the riff at its end before you repeat it. I've said before that I like playing with fingers to give more intimacy and volume dynamics, but here we want piercing trebly fuzz as the guitar is tracking the keyboard line for much of the song, and lots of compression, so you can use a pick if you prefer. Tune and let's go.